Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. Today I'm going to show you a gift I received from Phil at Almost Machining channel, and it's some precision ground flat stones, and I contacted Phil regarding purchasing some of these because I'd seen in the 𝗪𝗠𝗪𝗢𝗪 raffle Phil had made some, and I wasn't aware he made them, and I was quite, keen to get hold of some. Anyway, we exchanged a few messages, and Phil kindly offered to make me some free of charge, and which I'm really grateful. And it's I'm quite surprised how I've seen everyone with them and all this, but when you actually put them together and you rub them, they're just phenomenally good, So we got the fine side and the coarse side. So this is terrific, because I'm trying to put together some kit to do some hand scraping, and I picked up a hand scraper from 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗔𝗀𝒑 the impractical machinist. So yeah, I purchased the scraper, but threw in a couple of extra tips for the scraper, so that was really nice of him. I got some blue, got a roller. These are my old little Moore and Wright scrapers. I'm not sure I ever get to use those, but I've got them. Also Phil gave me, I think you can see that it's on an angle, so he gave me another stone here, so that's pretty good. And also 2 more carbide inserts for the scraper. So I'm in a pretty good situation, so I'm pretty close to be able to get going on that. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Now, if you don't know Phil's YouTube channel, he's also on Instagram. I'll put a link in the video description. Now he's just, as though Harold from ARW would say, he's a certified good guy, and he does lots of things like this where he just, he goes out of his way to help people, and he really is, one of the good guys. So I'm sure he'll make you really grateful if you go over and say hello over there. If there's any criticism, it's that he doesn't make enough videos, which is a shame, because from what I understand, he does favours for so many people, and so he's doing them not for any ulterior motive to try and get subscribers or anything. He's just a good chap. So I'm sure, I think he's on about 850 subscribers, so it'd be nice if we could push him somewhere towards 1,000, because it's just a fabulous milestone. I know I was super excited when I got there. So again, a big thanks to Phil at Almost Machining. I am so pleased with these. I'm not really sure how I actually can express my happiness at having these. These have worked well with the scraping, and just generally within the workshop, they're such a great asset. Yeah. So many thanks to Phil, and as always, thanks for watching, and stay happy, strong and healthy. Cheerio.